Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can add Microsoft Store games to Steam on Windows 10. The easiest way to do it is with an app called UWP Hook. This is a free open source app. Download, install, and run it. When the app is running, you want to click this refresh button here to generate a list of all the installed apps on your system. Once the list is generated, and this list is only going to be for the Universal Windows Platform apps on your system, select the game that you want to add to Steam. I'm going to select Minecraft for Windows 10, and after that, click the Export Selected Apps to Steam button down here. If you have Steam running, quit it and then run it again, and then go to your library, and you will find that the game has been added there. And when I click the play button, it launches Minecraft. If you want to delete this game at any point, all you have to do is right-click it and select the delete shortcut option from the context menu. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.